In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically count characters in Google Sheets. We'll walk through a quick, reliable way to measure the exact length of any text in your spreadsheet using a built-in function. This is especially handy for tasks like drafting social posts with character limits, cleaning data, or checking consistency across entries. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. In the top right, look for the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots. Click that to open the Apps panel, then choose Sheets to launch Google Sheets. Once Sheets opens, select the spreadsheet you want to work with and open your document. If you're starting from scratch, you can use a blank sheet, but this method works just as well with an existing file. Inside your sheet, click into an empty cell where you want the character count to appear. It's common to place this in a new column next to your text, so you can easily see both side by side. With the cell selected, we'll enter a simple formula. Type the equals sign, then the word LEN. That's short for length. Immediately after LEN, type an open parenthesis. Now click the cell that contains the text you want to measure. You should see its reference appear inside the parentheses. Type a closing parenthesis and press Enter. Your result will appear instantly as a number. That number is the total count of characters in the referenced cell. The LEN function counts every character, including spaces, punctuation, emojis, and hidden characters like line breaks. If the cell is empty, it returns 0. If your text has leading or trailing spaces, those are counted too, which can be helpful to spot formatting issues. If you have a list of entries and want counts for each one, Google Sheets often offers a suggested autofill. After you press Enter, keep an eye out for a preview running down the column. Click on the suggestion to apply the same LEN formula to the rest of the rows automatically, adjusting the cell reference for each line. This gives you a complete column of character counts in one click, perfectly aligned with your source data. That's all there is to it. You've used LEN to automatically count characters in Google Sheets, and you've applied it across a range with a single confirmation. With this in place, you can quickly review lengths, spot outliers, and keep your content within any required limits. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!